Welcome to Wide Boyz Crack School. We're going to be looking at how to make fist jams smaller. There is one point that I've split into two sub-points, and that is about the shape of your hand going into the crack and the positioning of the hand before it goes into the crack. Point one, sub-point one, we're looking at making our fist narrower by altering the shape of our hand before we put it inside the crack. And to do this, we want to move our pinky finger and our index finger over our middle two fingers, so we have this sort of shape. And then we're going to feed it into the crack like you were feeding a... When your hand is inside the crack, it will feel quite tight, so by simply making a fist, we'll essentially make the jam stick. This technique works for both palm up and palm down fist jamming. Point one, sub point two, we're going to look at a different fist position and orientation before it enters the crack. Picture this, folks. It's snowing, it's a blizzard, you're 5,000 feet up. Your fist does not fit in that crack. What we want to do? Turn it. In this situation, you're going to insert your relaxed fist into the crack with your palm facing the crack wall, and then you're going to twist it and clench at the same time to create that locked position. And that, folks, is how you get your fist into a place where it shouldn't fit.